Hello， 大家好，我是大叔。
Hello, I'm Sharon. 阿媽。
嘿，阿媽給你介紹名嘅。
Welcome to 阿媽channel. So,
channel，OK，阿媽。
阿媽 channel，OK 啦，whatever. ATOMY Mooncake。
佢話依個北京冇成日是mooncake咧，成日是四面還是畫面嘅咧
160 for 8 pieces.
我800喎，好貴啊！
飯魚個大地個好食啊！
對，即福建話叫，即福建話叫做皮皮黐黐大粒呢股橋路邊股好北京。其實佢一看就裏面是安怎嘛？同樣真水一啦，人看者，看到 high class， 即個商人無面子，無講無人知，裏面有8粒，無加8個塊。安尼飯魚股好看，股水。
So 那邊個一條 greeting from ATOMY. You see, okay, there are 4 pieces on top here.
OK， 180 gram 意思啊？
180 gram。
這個是叫做金月亮，等下開了人看者 ，OK。
Then you see it's a double decker box, no end, no 잔呢。
所以送人了，去一個人為送4粒咧，背後對成日亞洲都
你個送些。會咯，會。
佢成日一樣哦。
對。Another 4 pieces here. So this is the stacker.
有一個查某頭車咧，伊紅嘅腰，後來咧腰咧是可以長生不死嘅，所以就推起佢腰裏面。所以有時候佢一隻嚟講，佢腰脆嗬，可以讓佢食掉，然後伊就破埋伊特特推起亞洲嘅人哋。
So this is the story about the rabbit in the moon.
後來佢咧佢又就變咗 Beauty and the Beast 嘅故事了，有一個大波，有一個 Beast，後來有一個查某。
你個 Beauty and the Beast 故事。
Beauty and the Beast 嘅故事唔是大波查某嘅 Beast 咩？大波是真正嘅叫我哋叫大波嘛，有間嘛。查某都是殘兒嘛。Beast 嘛是 rabbit 咯，所以唔是 Beauty and the Beast。For 咱嘅飲食嚟講，咱應該是 that's low sugar 嘅對嘛。俾佢10個愛食愛歡歡喜喜食愛食了健康嘛。對唔對？健康佢才食到甜甜笑咪咪。
I take this one.
那水水，
哇！
這是老熟的，我食了沒味爽。但我冇食過邊。
伊這個是有零，winter melon seed 啊，果子。Okay, so。
哦，這個是老熟的，佢食愛用無係真正。
呢個叫做咩啊？皮薄餡舊，
餡厚咯。餡嚟。
Very smooth, right? And very flavor.
OK， 我食，即我冇說隻手啲會咩。
So this is the less sugar one. So
less sugar。咁而這啲 flavor 是無限驚嘅。
冇 fixed already. Four traditional ones and 4 modern ones 啦。So it comes fixed already.
所以我笨人嘅，無老數嘅唔真係手啲喎。嗰啲笨人嘅嚟講啊，我前日跳嘅。冇烹我冇去食嘅，先講。當講到喎，啱嘅喎。
This is the pandan flavor with winter melon seeds and also with a single yolk inside.
冇烹，
有烹哦。
香我都覺得。
喂，有烹哦。Very nice.
好生機，食我榴蓮料。
You remember before last? If not after you eat already everything else will the smell may be too strong cover everything. 冇。咁。
嚇！你哋都食嘅又未必啊！玩嘢，都真好嚟啊！
So we tested one traditional, one modern, which is the pandan, and now we will try the okay lah, we try the lemon sang.
Okay. 嗱，我們唔係食嚟吧？咱先學過呢個水位技術，究竟是點樣？所以團呢處是一皮是烏色嘅。
因為這個伊是用 butter 嘅皮嚟 ，so it's a very thin pastry made of butter. Wow, immediately cut you can smell the musang flavor. Wow, this is really. Wow. So it actually has a feeling like you, but it's not. It's all. I think it's all durian. Wow. This is really awesome.
香，我想是榴蓮龜味，或者你唔一計。
這冇想咯，
我想榴蓮龜你涼，即係佢即係加味淋汁味淋脆。
It doesn't stick to the teeth, okay? And the flavor is awesome. It is very, very strong durian smell. It is very good. I've tasted others, but haven't tasted one that has such pure durian smell. Okay, so it's awesome.
我新烧的榴莲月饼较有味爽，然后伊这个吼无咧收了无可能无能烧的安尼甜。我上次食月饼食甜甜的咯。
The pastry is a bit salty, you know, and then it smells good because it has butter, and then the durian paste is really pure durian.
食人就真係發現，咁樣
Good, huh?
舊年我食唔係試下先，唔是講笑嘅。
Make sure you all go and grab it. Okay, it comes once a year. So happy Mooncake Festival
中
to
秋節快樂，
everyone.
中秋節快樂。
Happy Mooncake Festival.
OK，祝大家家園人團
玫瑰
圓，
十個。
事事圓圓。OK，thank you，拜拜。
Bye.